Hello and welcome back. So now in this video we want the player to move in that direction where our camera is facing. Okay, so we want that. Open up the player script and right here at the top, right here we will create a header by the name of player script cameras, and then in here we will say public transform, and let's name this as player camera. Then if we move down right here, we want to plus the player camera dot either angles dot y, and then right here we will create another vector 3 by the name of move direction, and this will be equals to quaternion dot either. The first one will be 0f, and then we will pass the target angle, and then 0f again, and we will multiply it by the vector 3 dot forward, and that should give us the direction we want to move in. And then right here in the character controller dot move, instead of the direction dot normalize, now we will say move direction dot normalize. Now let us simply save this, and inside the Unity, now as you can see, we have this player script cameras. Right here we need to simply assign the main camera there, and if you save this, now let's play the game in the full window. So now as you can see, we can move up and down, and from the left and right, as you can see. And now if we move the camera to that direction, as you can see, the player is moving in that direction, and it looks really beautiful like this. And guys, don't worry, we didn't add the animations to our player, so that's why the game looks a little bit old school. Okay, but we will add that in the future videos, so don't worry about that. And also we need to add some more features to our player, for example jumping, and also we will add the gravity to our player. Okay, so with this done, see you guys in the next video.